Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Gemini 2.0 into your social media strategy. So I will just open my app which is 2.0 version. So you can just approach to utilizing Gemini 2.0 for the social media efforts like content creation and ideas of blog outlines and drafts. You can use Gemini to generate outlines or introduct paragraphs to overcome writer's block, streamline and the content creation process. So you can also engaging social media post, generate a caption and suggestion for your platform and audience, enhancing engagement. So I will just I will just attach the picture of my from the phone, and I will just attach this product which is iPhone. So I will ask to Gemini, please write captions of this mobile product. Let's see. So here are some caption options for the image you provided. Keeping in mind it appears to be an iPhone, likely a Pro model based on the camera setup. So short, catchy, the future of mobile. Experience the difference, innovation in your hand. Simply stunning, next level performance. There is introducing the new iPhone with a groundbreaking camera system and powerful performance, and experience the brilliance of the iPhone display and the power of its advanced processor. Capture stunning photos and videos with the iPhone's Pro great camera system. The iPhone where design meets innovation. Evaluate your mobile experience with the latest iPhone. So here is the benefit, some key features and specific to the gold color. So here you will see. So this is how you can use Gemini for your social media strategy for integrate. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.